Welcome to my channel. I have really enjoyed making these full face masks with the filter pockets that don't require any sewing at all. Let's go ahead and begin so we can get this fun started. First, cut a 6.5-inch circle. You can use a saucer or a bowl for the template. Fold a sheet of typing paper as I'm doing. Make sure that the edges are even. Cut the interface like both templates. Choose a lightweight cotton blend fabric for your mask. I'm using a top I no longer wear that's rayon and cotton blend. Fold the fabric in half, making sure that all edges are even and the finished edge is at the bottom of the fabric. With the long side of the typing paper on the fold of the fabric, cut out the shape of the typing paper. Place the interfacing circle in the middle of the fabric, 2 inches down from the top of the mask. Steam press the circle to the fabric. Place the rectangle shape over the circle as shown. Steam press the circle and the rectangle together. Fold the fabric with even edges. On the fold, draw a rectangle 1 1/2 inches by 2 3/4 inches. Cut through the center of the triangle as shown. Press open all of the flaps you've just made. Use the hem tape under each flap, then steam press each of them, making sure that none of the seam tape is extending past the flap or it will stick to your iron. Use a sheet of typing paper to make sure this doesn't happen. Cut a 4 by 6 rectangle for your filter pocket. Center the pocket under the eye opening. Place hem tape under each side. Steam press to hold the pocket securely in place. Now we're going to finish the remaining 3 sides of the mask. Place hem tape under each edge, fold, and steam press. Start forming the shape of the mask. Take the upper edge of the flap and place it as shown about midway the filter pocket. Take the bottom edge, bring it up to match the top edge as shown. Place hem tape under the seams as shown and steam press. Your mask is 3/4 complete. Use the same folding method and hem tape application for the other end. Measure each end to make sure they are the same width. Steam press. Cut 2 16-inch pieces of seam binding for the side straps. Insert one end of a small safety pin to the end of the seam binding. Fold a paper towel several times to make a cushion and place it under one end of the mask. Use small sharp scissors to pierce each corner of the end straps. Thread the pin with the seam binding on it through the holes to the other side as shown. After both sides are done, twist the 2 ties together to make one. and then tie off the ends. This is my completed mask. To complete your mask, you will need to put a tuck in the chin area so that the mask hugs your face and neck. Find the center of the chin area on the mask, place about 2 inches of tape, and then tuck the material, like I'm doing here, over the hem tape, and steam press. That will hold the seam permanently together. This is how the finished tuck should look on your mask. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that my full face mask with filter pockets will help you in protecting yourself in these trying times. Take care and stay safe.